This is Alison Kero with Alison Kero Organizing. Today I wanted to share a couple of tips on how to shop more sustainably and smarter. So tip one is to buy natural fibers like cotton and silk and linen and wool over synthetic fibers like polyester, acrylic, nylon, and polyolefin. Tip two is to buy quality items that you know will last, that you really like, over quantity that's going to fall apart in 10 seconds. Number three is to know your size and know your measurements. And don't be afraid to go out and try on a bunch of different brands, because there is no centralized way that they've done measurements in terms of clothing, and find which brands fit and flatter you the best. And tip four, buy local and check the label. When you follow all these steps, it's going to make you a much more informed shopper. That's going to cause you much less anxiety when you go shopping. You're going to be able to buy things that fit you well, last a long time, and you actually really like, which is going to, again, save you from anxiety, help you save money, and help the planet. So thanks for watching. This is Alison Kero. Like, follow, and hey, here's to getting clutter out of our heads and out of our homes.